How to attach an email to a Hotmail email reply. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to attach an email to a Hotmail email reply. To start, open Outlook and log into your email account. Find the email that you want to attach in your inbox or another folder. Open a new email by clicking on New Email or Compose, or you can reply to an existing email. The new email window will be minimized so you can see both the new email and your inbox at the same time. Drag the email you want to attach from its original location and drop it onto the minimized new email window. This will attach the email to the new email as an attachment. Bring back the new email window and you will see the attached email. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and any additional message. Click the send button to send the email with the attached email. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.